Welcome everyone to Doga Yoga. My name is Melody. This is Dani, the foster dog, and Arlo, our rescue. Today we're doing a quick and easy guided stretching class. So we'll get straight into it. Come on down onto the mat into cross-legged. You might have one leg extended. You might be in half lotus. Just find where feels good for you. You might even be sitting on a block to help find length in the spine. We'll roll our shoulder blades down the back. Place our hands on our knees, palms facing up. And I'm going to keep mine on Dani. And just start to check in with the rise and fall of your breath. Inhale, feel the belly, ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, soften and release. Inhale. And exhale. Start to bring yourself onto the mat, ground down through our sit bones. And inhale, see if you can find a little bit more length in the spine. And exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, we're going to bring our shoulders towards our ears, squeeze. And exhale, soften. Inhale, squeeze our shoulders towards our ears. And exhale, just let them drop. Inhale. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. We'll inhale, take one big arm circle all together, up overhead, fingertips touch. And exhale, back to heart center. Inhale, big arm circle up overhead, waking up the shoulders. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Puppies are excited today. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Place our thumb on our sternum. Find length in the spine. Interlace the fingers. Send the shoulder blades down the back on our inhale. And exhale, turn our palms forward. Push towards the front of the room. Chin to chest on our exhale. Inhale, send the palms high towards the sky. And exhale, release. Inhale, interlace and the shoulder blades down the back. Exhale, push away, chin to chest. Inhale, rise on up. And exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And release. Clasp the hands at the tailbone. Squeeze the shoulder blades towards one another. And send the knuckles towards the back of the room. See if you can lift the arms up. Find length in the spine still, tuck the tailbone under. Next time, we're just going to lean forward a little bit. See if we can rest the forehead on the ground or just see if we can send the chest towards the earth. We're going to send the knuckles up towards the sky, really getting into the hips and also the shoulders here, and breathe. Inhale, find length in the spine, and exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. When you're ready, rise on, unclasp the hands and the fingertips high, shoulder blades to the back. We're going to send our left hand towards our right knee, our right hand behind us. Find length and revolve. Find length on our inhale and revolve. Find length and revolve. Inhale, come back to center, find length, place our right hand on our left knee, our left hand behind us, find length, and revolve. Find length, oh children, and revolve. Find length, and revolve. Come back to center, big arm circle, up overhead, fingertips touch. And we're going to send our right hand down to the right, reaching towards the left. Opening up the chest here, just really getting into the space, finding length and softening. Finding length and softening. Finding length and softening. Inhale, rise on up, fingertips high, shoulder blades down the back. I'm going to try and go to the left here, left hand down, reach on over, lift with the tail, and breathing here. Finding length and soften. Finding length, gentle puppies, and soften, good. Finding length and soften. Rise on up, back to center. Hands wide behind the body. I'm going to send one foot forward and then the other, finding length in the spine here. I'll turn this way so you can see me. So we're going to send both knees towards the earth, press the heels in, get the hands beside our buttocks, find length in the spine. You might move the fleshy parts here, you might even grab a block to sit to help find length in the spine here if you find the lower back is compressing. So find wherever feels good here. You might even have a slight bend in the knees. And we're just going to walk our hands forward with a straight spine, folding forward. So inhale, finding length. You might grab the shins, the knees, the feet. You might just be leaning forward a millimeter. And then fold. Inhale, find length. And fold. Inhale. And release. Just let the head, the neck, the shoulders relax. Just let gravity take you in towards the ground, into this beautiful forward fold here. And just soften. You might push the knees further in towards the ground, flex the toes towards the face. Feel the deeper stretch, find more length in that spine, and then fold. When you're ready, rise on up. So nice. Take one leg wide and then the other. So we're taking a V shape with our legs. Same deal. You might have bent knees or straight. You might be on a block. Push into the heels. Flex the toes towards the face. Fingertips in front of us. Find length in the spine and just lean forward. So wherever that may be, you might be just leaning forward a millimeter. You might be on the forearms. You might be able to get the forehead on the ground. Just find where feels good. Notice the sensation in our inner thighs. So I want us to find length on our inhale and soften and release. Find length and soften. Find length and just sink and let go. See how far you can go. Where is safe but nourishing and challenging for you? Breathing, softening, releasing, still pushing the knees in, flexing the toes, pressing into the heels. Already, rise on up. Oh, so nice. Bring one leg in and then the other. And we're just going to roll on down onto our back. So roll on down, vertebra by vertebra, lower back pressing against the earth, shoulders pressing against the earth. So nice. Pick up our right foot, place it on our left knee and just open here. So we might stay here. We might bring this left knee in towards our chest, wrapping our arms around the backs of the thighs into our half pigeon. So find length wherever we are, tailbone and shoulders against the earth. And exhale, see if we can bring that knee a little closer. Inhale, find that length, shoulder blades and tailbone towards the earth. And exhale, soften. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and release. Place that left foot down, place that right foot down. Just take a little windscreen wipe, swaying the knees one way and then the other. Coming back to center, feet in at hip distance. Lift the left foot up and place it on our right knee, opening up here. So just be here or bring that knee in towards your chest. Rest the shoulder blades and tailbone still on the ground. Inhale, finding length, and exhale, softening. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and release. Lower that foot down. Place the left foot down as well, and just send the arms wide. We're going to bring our knees in line with our hips. Our feet flexed and pointing towards the back of the room, knees squeezed together. Find length on our inhale and exhale. We're going to send our knees towards the right, our gaze towards the left fingers. And breathe here. So just soften the lower back, soften the rib cage. Keep that left shoulder on the ground as we gently revolve the spine.
Finding softness, releasing tension, letting go. When we're ready, come back to center. Bring the knees in, ankles together, knees together. Gaze goes towards the right, knees goes towards the left. And just release here. Get that shoulder blade on the ground and feel this beautiful opening in our rib cage. Just release. Find softness with the breath. Find a little stillness in the body. And find a little stillness and softness if we can in the mind. And already bring knees back up to center. So nice. We're going to send the legs high. Flex the toes towards our face. Really squeeze the kneecaps, send the legs long, and then point the toes. Flex the toes towards our face and point. Flex and point. Flex and point. Hello, children. Shake our legs here. Really massage them out. Let them go. I'm not playing with you both. Go on. And when you're ready, just make your way onto the mat. Soles of the feet together, knees wide, or just have the legs long coming into Savasana. So find a place of relaxation and ease with the rise and fall of your breath. The dog might come for cuddles. They might be playing like children, like my two are. Just find a place where you can focus on your breath. Inhale, feel the belly, and ribs, the collarbones. And exhale, soften and release. Inhale and exhale. Do a quick body scan. Notice where we might be holding tension, any sensations or differences side to side. Get a little curious, check in, and breathe. Hello. When we're ready, send the arms high, up, overhead, wriggle the fingers and toes, roll the wrists and ankles, and make your way over onto a side that suits you, using your arm as a pillow. We'll come up into seated in our own time. Come into cross-legged and take one big arm circle all together, up, overhead, fingertips touch. Back to heart center. Sending you lots of love and gratitude, beautiful yogis from all of us. Namaste.